In this practice, a playground merry-go-round with a radius of 3 meters and a moment of inertia of 300 kilograms square meters rotate at a 15 revolution per minute about a frictionless vertical axle. Facing the axle, 30 kilogram child hops onto the merry-go-round and sits down on the edge. Calculate the new angular speed of the merry-go-round. So in this situation, also in the previous case, angular momentum is conserved. Then we'd like to find out the angular momentum of a rigid body object. So this is the review of the angular momentum of a rigid body. Angular momentum of the rigid body is expressed moment of inertia times the angular speed, I omegas. This is angular momentum of a rigid body. So in these situations, actually the angular momentum is conserved. So at first we'd like to find out angular speed before child hops onto the merry-go-round. Angular speed is 15 revolution per minute. So this means one revolution is 2 pi radians. A minute is 60 seconds. Then you can substitute this number is 1 over 2 pi radian per second. This is the angular velocities of the merry-go-round. Then you can find out the conservation of the angular momentum. Angular momentum. Before the child hopped onto the merry-go-round, angular momentum is only of the angular momentum of the merry-go-round itself. So it should be the I omega. And after the child hopped onto the merry-go-round, new angular velocity is omega dash. So I omega dash. This is the angular momentum of a merry-go-round plus the angular momentum of a child. This is m r square omega dash. R is the radius of a merry-go-round. So r is the radius of the merry-go-round. Is 3 meters. Then from these equations, angular velocity, new angular velocity can be calculated. I over I plus mr squares omega. Then you can substitute all the numbers. It becomes, this is 1 over 2 pi. This is 300. This becomes 3 meters and 30 kilograms. This becomes 270. And then you also convert from the radian per second to the revolution per minute. So you can just substitute all the numbers. 300 over 300 plus 270. 1 over 2 pi is radian per second. Then you can radian is going to be 1 over 2 pi revolutions. The second is 1 over 60 minutes. And then you could convert. It becomes 7.89 revolution per minute. Okay, This is the answer to these questions.